Hey, what's up, YouTube world? All right, welcome back to Auto Rehab. Hopefully today is D-Day with the D, like the day that we are gonna get this car done. New brake pads and rotors are in as well. We got everything hopefully set up to get it done today, man. I am excited, and I hope I don't have to buy anything else for this car. As much as I love it, I'm ready for it to be out of my life. So here we go.
Guys, we're gonna install these rotors and brakes, and we're gonna get into the rear end, and hopefully we're gonna put the rear tub in and get her finished up. I know it's been a really long, annoying build. People are just waiting for this thing to get done, so us too. So we're about to get it done, and just bear with us. Yeah, колоточки.
No, you gotta.
Get this right here.
Yeah.
You smell that?
Looking good, right?
Okay, is this the rear one or this is the front one? This one?
I don't know.
You don't know?
They look the same.
We got 3 people changing brakes.
Everyone's just so excited to get this thing done, man. It's gonna be quick, you know?
Yeah, see guys,
This is left.
very important on these. There's a left and a right. The air vents, the way they are, if you put them
They're gonna be different.
Yeah.
different direction. So very important. Because
This one's left.
yeah,
Let's switch.
there.
You see it? So it's supposed to be grabbing like a propeller.
Yeah, taking air
This is
in.
yours?
Okay.
This is why you go to the gym, boys.
Vice it.
You told me to go to the
Yeah.
gym for girls, man.
I did not. I mean, sometimes.
This guy is a phony.
All 4 brakes and rotors on. Oh yeah, look at that. Done. Brand stinking new. New rotors look so good. Awesomeness. What's up, guys? So yesterday was not D-Day. Maybe today, I don't know. Let me show y'all something pretty crazy that we found out. These taillights right here, they have these plugs. Let me see if I can get zoomed in, maybe from this side. Maybe get zoomed in on this side. Here's a cool. If you guys look right there, there's like a hole where a bulb can go into. You can see it better from here. And we're thinking like, all right, there's got to be another wire or a bulb or something that goes into it. Turns out it's just a ghost plug. There's nothing that goes into it. Literally. It's got a hole there for a bulb, but doesn't even come from factory with a bulb there. Lotus for you. See that? On the diagram we found this tail light, and it shows like there's a bulb that goes in there with the wiring, but that's actually not correct. I found that out from the dealer today, so we were really worried yesterday that we didn't have the wiring for the tail light. But as it turns out, nothing goes there. Great design, Lotus. Fantastic. Alright guys, it's pretty late, so we're going to wrap it up for today. We got a lot of stuff done today. Like I said, the math scientists figured out a lot of the problems that we were worried about. We thought maybe we weren't having the right parts or it was missing something. Thankfully it was not. So like I said, we only got a couple hours left tomorrow to come in here and wrap it up and get her on the road. That's on the freaking road for a test drive. I'm pumped, I'm excited. This has been a, no words can describe this project. Either way, man. I'll catch y'all in the morning. So the reason why we have a ladder here to pour oil is because our lift just took a dump. I'm sure there's nicer words out there, but as y'all can see right here, literally, this is why you're supposed to always lock your lifts. I'm not sure if I'll be able to get up here and show you guys the line.
Main lines.
Yep.
It swell up and just blew up.
I don't know if I can get in there to show you guys. I don't know, it was just working and then just swell up and it popped.
Boom.
Yep. So now we have a ladder. Yep. Now we have a ladder so we can pour oil into it. And we got to figure out how to get this car down from the lift. Yep.
We get the line fixed.
Today might not be D-Day. I'm telling you, this car does not want to come off the lift. Shout out to China for always providing all the clips we always need for our cars. As y'all can see, it's nice to have them in stock. That way, any car you need, you got all the clips. Last piece. Come on. Head on to the math scientists to do the honors.
Yeah, I've put a good bit of work into this car and
Man,
time and oh yeah, trying to figure out where everything goes, but we've accomplished it. Bam! That is the finished touch.
Look at that.
How much is this? Like 180?
Yeah, something like that.
180. But
It's
this
finished.
is the old one.
Yep.
All that chrome, gotta go. We got the green and the yellow.
That's right.
All right, finally on a test drive. We're gonna see how this puppy rides. So far we got no lights on the dash except an airbag light, which is probably something dumb, like we took the seat out, so that's probably what caused it. Watch out. Yep, no scrapes. You ready for this test drive? Oh yeah. Serge, what's going on through your head?
I don't know. I think I'm in a daze. I'm in a dream. This car's off the lift and we're driving it, right? We're about to drive it.
All right, right on, man. Damn, this car feels super low to the ground.
Man, this thing's probably gonna be faster than my Hellcat, man.
Yeah, look at that. We're gonna have to run them side by side. Look at this.
Dude, this thing has a sport bond, man.
Oh, that's why. We need. Okay. That was what people said on the reviews. Hit the sport
I
button.
hit the sport button. Okay, it's blinking yellow.
Where do you see it?
The sport button's right here. It's blinking yellow.
It's supposed to light up here.
It's supposed to light up here?
Yeah, hold
it's
it.
definitely not lighting up there. All right, let's. Oh, there it is. It lit up.
Okay,
All
there
right.
you go.
Shoot, we might be just taking off, man. Let's take it easy since it is a new clutch, though. So we'll get on the roll. It's like a little go-kart,
hey, this is a fun car. I can already see.
Right? It's like a little go-kart.
It's not about speed. It's just how low to the ground you are.
Yeah, dude, it feels like we're in a go-kart, man.
And bumper to bumper, you're extremely. The wheelbase is so short.
Yeah.
This would be a good car to actually do
go in the
some.
mountains, dude.
Yeah, just like right here.
Take this
See, right there. Look at that.
Take this in the portion to the mountains, yo.
Oh yeah.
Man, the lights are perfect. Look, perfectly level.
Damn.
Everything.
Hey, how does it steer?
Dude, this steer is amazing, man.
Wow, no extra sound.
Nothing, bro. This is amazing, yo.
Yeah,
I came out.
I think we did a pretty good job.
Yeah.
We are
Backup
very
camera. Look,
impressed.
that backup camera works.
Yeah, it's really dark outside. You can't really see nothing.
Alright, y'all. We'll just record that probably in the morning. Show you
Yeah,
guys
because
what
it
this
is
looks like.
really dark, and
Yeah.
actually right here, look at this. You can actually see. All right, guys. So the car is actually done. As y'all saw last night, we finally got it on the road. There's not much I have to do to it. I gotta still get it buffed. I'm gonna tint the windows on it, and probably gonna need something with the audio because that stock Alpine unit has gotta go. I need my Bluetooth connection. And I'm still missing a couple interior pieces. I'm gonna order that throughout the week. So hopefully in the next video, reveal what it cost me, and I'll show you guys the finished product. But for now, at least it's on the road, it drives, I'm excited, I'm pumped. So yep, it's a nice day, Saturday, so we're gonna go out and have some fun with my buddy and his RX-7, and like I said, go cruising a little bit. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'll try and post my videos faster, so y'all won't have to wait so long for them. But either way, see you guys in the next episode. Thanks, bye.